Look, I know what you're thinking. Is it bright pink? Does it look like a giant motorized piece of bubble gum? Actually, it doesn't. I know they feature the pink, but it is really very tasteful, mostly black with some cool pink accents. Let me tell you, this thing is an absolute secret weapon your pool didn't know it needed. Welcome back to the channel. I am Doug, and today we are looking at the X1 Auto Pool Vacuum. Now, usually pool cleaners are just boring, gray, industrial looking things. But this thing is a sleek black with like pink Panther accents. But this thing, it is a sleek black with cool pink accents. It is really cool, and honestly, it is still a beast. First off, let's talk about the no-tangle life. This is completely cordless. If you've ever spent 20 minutes untangling a pool hose like you're wrestling an angry python, you know why this is a game changer. Just drop it in and it gets to work. Technically, this thing is loaded. We're talking about an advanced dual motor system that drives its suction and movement. Most of these entry-level robots just wander around aimlessly like they're lost in a mall, but the X1 actually climbs walls. Theoretically, it should be able to scrub the waterline where those nasty rings usually live. We'll talk about my actual experience during the review. It's designed for pools up to 1,100 square feet in ground or above ground, so it's versatile. And because you hate emptying the trash, it has a massive 8-liter capacity basket. That's huge. It'll swallow leaves, acorns, whatever your kids accidentally threw in last Tuesday. Battery life? It's extended, meaning it'll finish the job without dying in the deep end like a dramatic teenager. So if you want a pool that's crystal clear and you've had enough confidence to rock this black and pink item, this X1 is legit. It's smart, it's fast, and honestly, on paper, it should be really pretty amazing. I'll tell you what, why don't we go talk to me poolside? I'll talk to you about the experience, what it was like to use. I'll show you what's involved in terms of cleaning it out. Yeah, let's go do that now. Okay, it's been about a week that this bad boy has been running, or maybe it's a bad girl. It is pink. My wife actually loves the pink paint job, which it's hard to argue that pink and black don't go really well together. Let's pull it out, see how it is done. I have not looked in. I will say, for sure, I've been super impressed with its wall climbing capabilities. I was not expecting it to be this good, but it has really done a really nice job of climbing the walls. So we'll see how much cleaning it has done. Let's go pop it open, see what's inside. So certainly the RoboKleen is nice and light, easy to carry around, easy to work with. Charging was easy. Really, everything has been quite enjoyable with this. But let's see if it actually works, because that's a real key thing. I don't even remember from reading the instructions how to open it. Oh, there, that was it. It was on the bottom. All right, let's check this out. Sometimes I feel like this is a little like lawyers where you're not supposed to ask a question you don't know the answer to, and I maybe should have looked in here first, but I'm just going for it live. Okay. Oh, ho, ho, ho. We've caught some fish here with this. All right, so let's see what we got. How do we pull this thing off? I know I showed you this when I did the unboxing. I think we just pull this off. Oh, all right, so can you see that? I'm gonna turn it this way so you can see in the light. Look at the sand that this has collected here. Now, I am not one of these people who puts dirt in the pool so you guys can see, oh my God, it collected a lot. This is real. This is what is in my pool. We're in a cage here in Southern Florida, so I don't get like a lot of leaves and bugs and that kind of stuff, but we get sand and grit and crap. And let me just show you, let me grab the camera. All right, so look at this. Look at all the dirt. We got leaves, we got, I don't know what that is. I don't want to know. More leaves, dirt, grit. This has really worked very effectively. Now, process-wise, all you do is I'm going to take it out here and simply rinse it off and reinstall it, and it is ready to go again. Let me rinse it off and show you how to reinstall it. All right, here we go. All I did was rinse it off. We're going to reinstall it. Let me put it back right side up. Okay, that's really all there is to it. All you do is reattach it. I'll tell you there are a couple little tabs here in the front that it catches on, which really Kind of makes the whole thing work. And that's all reattached like that. Look how clean that is. 2 seconds of rinsing it off. Flip the pretty car over. Back snaps in. These two close up. We are ready to run again. Check this thing out. How cool is this? I'm just going to charge it up, put it back in the pool. All right, if you are looking for a robot that has a great balance of both performance and price and functionality, ease of use, seems to be great on all of those levels, this would be a really nice option for you. If you want to get this, there's a link here on the screen. There's one down below. Both work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra. If I've added some value to you here, like the video, follow the channel, hit the hype feature if we're here on YouTube. And if you have any questions about this or suggestions, other versions we should use, something like that, put it in the comments. Outside of that, I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, here we are at the back end of the video. You've seen this RoboKleen robot clean. You've heard my review of it. Now you're curious what it comes with and what's involved in setting it up. I am too, haven't been in here yet, so let's open it up for the first time together. Okay, important things, we've got instruction manuals, some nice packaging with the quick start guide right there. This thing should be pretty cool, should climb walls. It's got a big container to hold all the dirt with. What do we got in here? This is interesting, this is very packaged. Oh, the rescue hook. Rescue hook's always important to have. Charge it, give it some power. You've already seen it. This is my first time getting in here. It is this cool pink, I do know that. It's got dual motors. Oh, it is cool looking. Oh yeah, it's like all hot rod style there. It's almost like it is. This top is actually translucent. You can see the mechanics in there. Well, that's pretty cool. Wonder how we get in it. Let's see. I guess that's how it propels itself backwards when it needs to. Shoots jets out there. Bumpers on the top, I guess, in case it were to flip over. Oh, wait. Here we go. Let's see. We go like this. Like this. This is a little weird. It's so pretty. I don't want to put it on its back. But you got it to get in here. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, 1, 2. I guess these go this way to unlock them. 3. Oh, I see. I got one more little click to go. There we go. That's it. All right, so this is a nice large bag for collecting the debris. That's the inlet right there. Here's the bag. If you're gonna clean it out, take the bag off, it should just pop right off, which it is. Pops right off. You dump out the debris, rinse it out, and you're ready to go again. That is really pretty cool. See, putting it back on is as easy. It's so easy I didn't have to read the instructions, but as you guys may know, I do a lot of these pool bots, so like it's not the same. I should be able to do it without reading the instructions, but super easy. Goes on there. Simple mechanics in there, nothing crazy going on. Let's see what happens. That's it. That's how it comes. There's really nothing to set up. It's actually ready to run instantly. When you get it, just got to charge it up and go, which seems to me what I should be doing right now. You all saw the fun stuff. I need to make that happen in real life. So I'm going to say, I hope this was helpful. If you want this, there's a link below. You should definitely get this for yourself. And I'm going to go use it, make sure it's cool, but obviously you're still here, so must have been. All right, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.